Well, the snow is finally starting to come down pretty heavy. It had been light all throughout the day, and even with the light flurries, people really seem to be enjoying the shift into some snowy winter weather.
I love snow!
It's the first snowstorm of the season here in Flagstaff. It started off slow with some light flurries kicking it off this afternoon. Even with the light white drizzle, people enjoyed whatever they could get.
This is the first time I'm standing in a snowfall, so it's pretty exciting.
And these four-legged furry friends loving this white dusting.
They love the weather. They love the snow. They've been waiting all summer for this.
For some, the snowy temps was definitely hot chocolate weather.
We're cold, that's for sure. We're from Tucson. We don't get much snow in Tucson.
For others, it was more like iced coffee and flip-flop weather.
I try to wear my sandals until I can't stand it anymore.
But for everyone, they're definitely welcoming this white winter weather.
Yeah, I really enjoy the snow, so it's about time too. It came really late this year.
It's great. Yep, this is why we live in Flagstaff.
We will continue to track this weather and all this snow and bring you the very latest. In Flagstaff, Liana Enriquez,